to Cozy Crib. Let's go. Let's have a full house tour so you can see what our crib has to offer. Come on in. This is the living area 1, portraying its house name. As you can see, the area is so cozy. Here you can spend quality time with everyone. Placed also in this area is a computer chair and a table as a workstation for those who needs to be near computer during their stay. An 8-seater dining set highlighting the cozy ambience. Surely you will enjoy every meal you are consuming. Let's check out the kitchen. High chair is also available for your baby's need and for your eating convenience. A mineral water dispenser is provided with hot and cold for you to choose from. An upright chiller is also available for your food and beverage storage. A great amount of frozen foods and meats are safe with our very spacious upright freezer. Now, for your cooking appliances needs. For more bonding experience and you want to cook for your group, you may show your cooking skills with our 5-burner gas range. A vent hood is also installed to eliminate smoke, fumes, and odors. This gas range comes with oven too for other cooking procedures. Coffee is one of our ways to relax. If you prefer more intense in a small amount of coffee shot, our espresso machine is just right for you. To complete your meal, a rice cooker is also provided. For reheating purposes, microwave oven and oven toaster are also available. Here on the overhead cabinet is where you can find the basic cooking condiments as well as the blender. While in this side, bowls or soup bowls of different sizes are located. Different variety of plates and saucers are also available for the guests to use. We also have drinking glasses, wine glasses, mugs, and cups for your drinking needs. Under sink drawers provides spaces for our kitchen utensils and others. Available for use are graters, strainers, squeezer, food trays. We also have here for baby's bed, kiddie plate for your young ones, here a spacious drawer, and food bowls for babies. In this road is where the silverwares are placed. We have the spoon, fork, knife, we have measuring cup, can opener, crab cracker, and corkscrew. Again, for your cooking needs, we have pans and casseroles in sizes. Here are the different kinds of strainers and chopping board. For large groups, we have bigger pots, pans, and rice cooker for your bigger amount of preparing foods. Accidents are unavoidable. For emergency purposes, we have provided a complete first aid kit and also an emergency lamp in case you might need it. Let's take a look at the other part of the floor. Here is a common comfort room, which we also call the powder room, which has its own sink and a super clean toilet. To highlight the ground floor, let's come in and see what's inside this room. This is the theater room. You can sit and relax in the sofa, which could be convertible into a queen-size sofa bed. Here is an extra mattress for big groups, which we can arrange for you. An entertainment room will not be complete without a large spectrum of 65 inches screen for your viewing pleasure. We have here a large speakers with high quality sound so it can match your voice clearly while singing with our karaoke. Aside from this, bonding time is more fun when you play it with board games. Here you can find different varieties of board games for you to use. And that completes the entertainment in our theater room. Now let's go to its own bathroom. Since the theater room is located at the ground floor, this one is a PWD and elderly friendly bathroom. Let's check this out. If you have an elderly or PWD with you, this is perfect for them to use. Handicap grab bars are installed on both sides of the toilet bowl. This serves as a guide to avoid outbalance. We also have here backbench or shower chairs for PWDs and seniors who cannot stand while they shower or suffering from arthritis and bent toes. Handlebar is provided too to secure them from a slippery floor while using the shower. Basic toiletries such as conditioner, shampoo, and body wash are available for our guests to use. Showers and sink are also heated. Okay, that's what consists the theater room. It's time to go upstairs. Let's go and have a look. So now we're on the second floor. Let's go and see what we have here. This is the living area too. We also have a comfortable sofas here. A multiplayer arcade for kids and kids at heart are here for you to have fun. You have plenty of games to choose from. It is coin operated, a 1 peso coin for like 5 minutes of game time. While on the other side, we have another sofa, especially for large groups, and an arcade. Another highlight of this zone is the balcony. A balcony where you can have a glimpse of the front side of the villa. You can enjoy your hot coffee or tea while seeing the relaxing landscape of Saratoga and of course, while feeling the cold breeze. Oh well, it's time to explore the rooms. Let's go? First off is the master's bedroom one. Let's see what's inside. We have here a comfy sofa, a queen-size bed that is equipped with cushy and soft mattress for a pleasant sleeping experience. We have a good amount of pillows with clean sheets and a comforter that will keep you warm while having a deep sleep. Provided by an extra queen-sized mattress, this room has a sleeping capacity of 6 persons. The extra mattress is available upon your request. In addition, the room has its own balcony for extra eyes relaxation. With an easy 2-door access, this balcony caters the front view of the villa too. Certainly, this kind of scenery will be a great thing to be distressed. Now, let's check the other side of the room. Bath towel for every person will be provided together with the tissue rolls. Hair dryer is also supplied. For your clothes or towel organizer, hangers and clothes rack is available for use too. And for the last section of the room is the bathroom. Toilet and sink are of course present, and if you are indulged of having a relaxing bath, you'll definitely like soaking on our jacuzzi. A tub pillow will feel great as your headrest cushion. A bubble bath is what your body deserves. Where next? Second room is waiting for you to see. This is the guest room. Come in. Just like in the master's bedroom 1, hangers and clothes rack are also provided. It also have a twin-sized bed, and it do have a soft, comfy mattress too. Bath towels for each person and a tissue roll along with the hair blower. A sofa if you feel like sitting is available. Behind this curtain is a balcony, also installed with an easy 2-door access. Rear view of the house is waiting for you to have a peek and have a quiet reflection. So, as you can see, this door is the toilet and bath. Just like every bathroom in this villa, this is spacious. The usual sink and toilet. Also, toiletries such as shampoo, body wash, and conditioner are also available for use. In the shower, a shower mixing valve for your hot and cold shower preference. The third room is what we call the master's bedroom 2. Let's go and check this out. In here, we also have clothes rack and hangers as your organizer. A queen-size bed with cushy and soft mattress. A good amount of pillow and comforter to help you keep warm. For large groups, an extra queen-size mattress can fit into the room. Sofa for you to sit on. Tissue papers, towels, and hair dryers are available. A balcony is present too. Let's see what we got here. Sliding door separates the room from the balcony. This one is much bigger. You can also have a wide scene of the place here to enjoy sightseeing while sitting on the chair and having a sip of coffee. This also has its own bathroom. This one is also spacious. A sink, toilet, and shower just like the other restroom are present. Basic bath toiletries are also free of use. Out we go and let's check upstairs. Come with me. We've seen all the master's bedroom too. Let's go up and check the last one. The attic room is located at the 3rd floor. Let's see what's inside. Clothes racks and hangers are available in every room. As usual, a queen-size bed is of service with a typical amount of pillows and comforter are placed. And for big groups, an extra queen-size mattress, pillows, and comforter set can be provided. We have here a custom sofa, towel, and hair dryer are supplied too. And for some air and eye freshener, this room also has its own balcony. Come and take a closer look. This side of the villa is for your eyes to see and appreciate. In this part, you can feel the cozy ambience of the whole area. Now that you've seen our cozy attic, let's go and check out its own restroom. Let's go. Located just outside the attic room is the toilet and bath. Every room in this villa are en suite with its own bathroom. Let's take a look at this last one. The usual sink and toilet, shower, basic bath toiletries are available for use. Now it's time to go down and have a peek at the outside part of the house. After the indoor part, down we go for the outdoor amenities. For more bonding moments, we're here at the other part of the Cozy Crib. Come with me. A spacious area for more quality time with family and friends. We have a mountain bike free to use if you want to stroll around the village and feel the ambience. Here at Cozy Crib, your fur baby cutie patooties are very much welcome. Secure them with our cozy pet cage, a good size of cage for your pets to be comfortable with. A fence cage for indoor use. Here we have a barrel type charcoal griller for your ultimate grilling experience. As part of Cozy Crib's house amenities is the Intex pool. Its size is 7 by 5 feet with a depth of 2 feet. That's it guys, that's the end of the house tour. So what are you waiting for? Take a break from the hustling and bustling city to relax in our cozy American-inspired home inside Saratoga Hills, Tagaytay Midlands in Tagaytay Highlands. For booking inquiries, you may find us at airbnb.com, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Hope to see you soon. Bye!